The Rack Shop is proud to present this GMC Canyon short bed pickup truck that we've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack system onto. So this truck actually came pre-installed with the Retrax XR bed rack system. So the XR series means that it has this track on the outer side rails, which we can attach racks to. So this system consists of the 60-inch HD load bar, OverHaul HD towers, and tonneau kit 1. With this track, you can adjust the towers front to back wherever you want. Locks are included with this. Here we've got it set at the lowest position possible per the customer's request, but obviously you can go much higher to clear the cab better and clear that antenna. So 800-pound static load, 300-pound on-road, 180-pound off-road capacities. For more details, click on the link in the description below. This is just a quick walk around so you can see what it looks like on this truck. So again, link in the description below for more details. But like always, thanks for watching.